Welcome back all. So we are going to see a problem about Padmini and Padma, the partners, for whom we are going to maintain capitals under fluctuating method. So remember, under fluctuating method you will only open one account for both of them, which is the capital account. Only in the fixed method you will open both capital and current account of the partners. So this is going to be a merger, a combination of both the current and the capital account, which we used to do in the fixed capital method. So here the sum goes as from the following information: prepare capital account of partners Padmini and Padma when their capitals are fluctuating. So by reading the first line we come to know that we are going to do fluctuating method. They have given the opening balance of capital on 1st Jan 2018 credit balance. So on the credit side you will enter as by balance brought down for Padmini and Padma. Then they've given drawings, interest on drawings, share of profit, interest on capital, salary and commission. So we're going to take these items and put it in the correct place to find out the balance of the capital account according to fluctuating method. So let's get into the sum. So the format of the capital account for Padmini and Padma are ready with the debit side and the credit side. First we are going to enter the first item, which is capital on 1st Jan 2018, credit balance 5 lakh and 4 lakh. So this will be entered on the credit side of the capital account as by balance brought down for Padmini and Padma. Then next item we have drawings. So drawings will go to the debit side of the capital account. So on the debit side you write two drawings, 70,000 for Padmini and 40,000 for Padma. The third item is interest on drawings. So interest on drawings goes along with drawings. So come to the debit side and write interest on drawings 2,000 and 1,000 for Padmini and Padma. Now share of profit. So when it is a share of profit, you will come to the credit side of the capital account and you're going to record the share of profit. You can write it as profit and loss appropriation account, which is 52,000 and 40,000 for Padmini and Padma. Next is interest on capital. Interest on capital is also recorded on the credit side of the capital account for the partners. So on the credit side you write by interest on capital and their amounts in their respective columns. Next we have a salary. So salary and commission, the next item, comes on the credit side. So you must be careful when you're entering the salary, because for one person it is 45,000 and for the other person it is nil. So in the case of nil you can just put a dash over there in Padma's column. Then commission is nil for Padmini. So just put a dash for Padmini's column when it comes to posting commission on the credit side of the capital account. And for Padma you'll be writing 21,000. So once this is over, you are going to balance Padmini and Padma's column separately to get the carried down and the brought down for the capital account. So first we are going to balance Padmini's column. So on the credit side, when I add Padmini, I get 6,27,000. Whereas on the debit side, I get only 72,000 for Padmini. Therefore, 6,27,000 is the greatest total, which will be written in the grand total on both the sides. So now comparatively when I see, I get the debit side, which is the least side. So I go to the least side and write 2 balance carried down. So how do I get the 2 balance carried down? 6,27,000 minus 72,000. I get the carried down balance of Padmini, which is 5,55,000. Next we are going to start to balance Padma's column. So now the credit side of Padma's column, when I add up, I get a total of 4,85,000. So let's write that down on the credit side, grand total. And comparatively when you see the debit side, we come to know that debit side is just 41,000. So we know that credit side total is more than the debit side total. So that is going to be as a grand total for us, right? So next we are going to go to the step where we go to the least side. So our debit side is going to be the least side for Padma also. So where I've written 2 balance carried down for Padmini, I can use the same to balance Padma's column also. So simple, I just got to subtract 4,85,000 From 41,000 I will get 4,44,000 as the balance carried down. So since now I've got the balance carried down, I must go to the opposite side of what I've got. So I've got it on the debit side, so I must go to the credit side and record by balance brought down for Padma and Padmini in their respective columns. The amount is going to be same as carried down, 5,55,000 for Padmini and 4,44,000 for Padma. So hope you understood the problem. Thank you.